In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Yext listing information in GoHighLevel tutorial. If you use GoHighLevel to manage your local presence, keeping your Yext listing accurate is essential. Clean, consistent details help your business show up in local search results and avoid confusion across directories. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to expect so you can update your information with confidence. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard. On the left side, look for the Reputation section. This is your hub for reviews, listings, and visibility. Open Reputation to access the tools that control how your business appears across the web. Inside Reputation, find and select Listings. This area consolidates your presence across platforms powered by Yext. It shows you whether your business information is synced and highlights any items that may need attention. Take a moment to scan the page so you're familiar with the layout and status indicators you'll see here. If your listing is already active, you'll see an option to edit your listing. Open that, and you'll be taken to the editable fields that power what customers see on major directories. Expect sections for your business name, address, phone number, website, and hours. Accuracy here matters a lot. Keep your name, address, and phone number exactly the same format you use everywhere else. For example, avoid mixing abbreviations in one place and spelling them out in another, and make sure suite numbers and directional markers match your signage and Google Business profile. You'll typically see fields for business categories and descriptions. Choose a primary category that best represents what you do, and a concise, helpful description that explains your services and location coverage. If there are photo or logo options available in your setup, use clear, up-to-date images that reflect your brand consistently. Many listings support special hours and holiday closures, so make sure your regular schedule is complete and that any seasonal changes are reflected. Consistent hours reduce customer frustration and improve trust signals across platforms. As you review the information, watch for common mistakes like outdated phone numbers, legacy URLs, or mismatched formatting. Small inconsistencies can cause duplicate listings or slow down syncs across directories. If you manage multiple locations, verify you're editing the correct one and apply the same formatting rules to every location for uniformity. Once your edits are in place, the system will guide you through confirming them. Changes may take some time to propagate to all directories. Give it a little while, then check back in listings to confirm everything looks good. That's it. By using Reputation, then Listings, and opening Edit Your Listing, you can keep your Yext-powered information accurate and consistent, helping customers find and trust your business.